and a friar were companions. They went along the way like other noblemen. And as they went, they engaged in a dispute. I care little for their equal standing. When one says yes and the other says no, each holds his own reasoning. He will never have a moment of great love in their company. The rich man first attacked the friar through pride or wealth, for he felt himself superior. Friar said the rich man, you make yourself too much a talker of great nonsense. The friar said, though you have money and have your granaries full of wheat, you will never live if you are a miser, even half of a day. The rich man said, fallen friar, you have played so much you do not let yourself profit. But you have boasted as well as a king, may no verse come true for you. The friar said, I grant you all of that. You will rarely see a worthy man who does not at times act foolishly, but you gain by wrong and by crookedness your great folly. The rich man said, and I have power, for I can lend and help my friend, but I do not think any good is hoped for from you, that it may go better for him. The friar said, and I have the freedom to follow and help my friend in everything, just as much as you and your wealth, except for the dominion. Man said, now tell me, friar, whom does God love more, him who is well-mannered, or the robbers who rob the roads for their lechery? The friar said, I promise you this, accumulating wealth is not paradise. Rather God commanded that it be distributed all through brotherhood. The rich man said, your foolish desire and tables and dice and precious ladies make you commit deceits and think of treachery. The friar said, you are the miser who thinks that the great earth fails you. You gain hell with others' sufferings and you commit treachery there. The friar said, you are too full of thought when you think to lead the dead and the living. One would think you have no sense who does not know you. The rich man said, I seek a judge, friar, to divide us in this dispute. The friar said, it is fitting that he defined it in right and in love, for he would always hold it